Okay. Still need to finish the colosseum, but shouldn't take that long. Let's see. It's looking pretty good so far, I guess. So far, so good. I mean, could be bigger, could be better, but there's a fighting pit for actual fighting, so. But why is there endstone? Oh, interesting. My beacon's gone. That's okay. You know, it's Oliver. We need to talk. I don't even want to talk to him. Not after what I did last time, but yeah, we really do need to talk. But should I I really shouldn't, but not alone, especially not alone. But it'll be fine, right? I won't it won't it won't I don't even know. But yeah, we should talk. I'm not exactly a great place to meet, but the arena is the this is a bad idea. I know it's a bad idea, but we really should talk. But I don't know. It's better than nothing, I guess. But it's ow. Okay. They're on their way. Okay. This is a bad idea. Meantime, I can just deal with the quartz. I need more quartz for the colosseum, but shouldn't be too much more. I'm almost done, but whatever. Doesn't matter, does it? It's all gonna go away soon, isn't it? I don't even know how soon is, but where are they? Just breathe, Embryn. Just breathe. It'll be fine. It'll be fine, right? It'll be fine. Okay. Okay. This is fine. This is fine. This will be fine. Just talk to Oliver and nothing's. Oh, God. Hi, miss.
Yes.
Thank you. Appreciate it. There we go. Hi. Hi. Okay. What the hell's Oliver? Ollie, I guess. Shouldn't be too long, right? Just take your mind off it. It'll be fine. It'll be here soon. Of course it's raining. Why wouldn't it? This is world really sad, right? That's not a sign, right? That's not a sign. Everything's gonna go well. Everything's gonna go fine. It's fine. It's fine. Right? Nope. Damn it. Come here. Okay. gonna screw it up, so I just... What the hell's Oliver? It's still unnerving. Oh. Still unnerving that there's even end stone. What was it? Ollie.
Embryn?
You wanted to talk.
Nice weather, I guess.
Yeah. It's fine. You wanted to talk?
I'm sorry. Shouldn't have said things I did say.
Now you're apologizing.
Yeah.
I guess I should apologize, but... I guess I should apologize too, huh?
Yeah. Rita's coming out nice, I guess.
Yeah. The endstone wasn't my touch, bro.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
That...
I mean, if all the endstone islands popping up, I guess the world wants it to be in the arena now, too.
You think it's gonna go over itself? Like, corrupt itself to the end?
With all the endstone spreading, I wouldn't be surprised. I'm not surprised. Look. I am sorry too. I didn't mean for it to happen like that. And I do feel bad about it. So I am sorry. I know I can't fix what I did, but... I'm sorry. It's just...
Yeah. Hold on. Have you heard from Foggy? I saw them earlier.
No, I
In the book.
haven't. You could... I haven't seen Foggy in a while.
They said they've been hanging out with you, so I was like... Yeah.
Ollie, am I right? I know I'm not...
Pretend it says Embryn, not Cosmic.
You're good, bestie. You're good, bestie. Okay. Hi, Ollie. Am I right? I know I've been protecting him, saving him with Embryn and investing in winter. I think Embryn's really nice. We made Starbucks with me. You can consider him my friend now, but I'm not...
I saw them yesterday, and then I turned around and they disappeared.
Really?
They're at Fort Deos when I went to go farm.
I haven't seen Foggy in a while. They weren't with me at all as of recent.
You didn't?
No.
What?
I wasn't with them for a while. I haven't seen them in a while, so I don't know. Okay, now it's thundering. Of course it's thundering. But no, I haven't seen them around a lot. At all.
Oh, that's... I wanted to show from this note then, because they said they were... I'm alright. I'm with Cosmic. Well, Embryn.
Yeah.
Is it possible that you did it and just were sleepwalking already?
Not exactly.
Or skulk? Sorry.
I'm not exactly a sleepwalker, and whatever happened with you, or that sort of mindset, I guess, I would remember it. No, I'd remember it if I was whatever I was when I... But I haven't seen them in a while. I don't even remember the last time I saw them. But I don't know. I can keep an eye out for them. If I ever run into them, I'll let you know. But other than that, I haven't seen them at all. But I'll let you know if I do end up running into them at some point. I'm sorry.
Oh, get out of the room, bud. Here. Into the hut. Just yes, just follows me.
Come on. Come on. Nope. Come on. Get in the bed. Okay. Yeah, I added.
Yeah, I know you love the furnace. You do it at my house too. It just jumps everywhere.
Thank you. I got away.
My inventory is also full. I'm putting my oxygen mess just gave me in there.
Yeah,
Not there too.
there's so much.
A green sugar. I got a yellow and a white sugar.
I have a rainbow of shulkers in my ender chest. Just almost all the colors.
Oh my gosh.
Here, I can take armor off. That makes you feel better. I can keep an eye out for Foggy, but if you had anyone to ask, I'd go to Chronicle or anyone in Red Winter as my first step, because father and family and all that.
I was thinking of going to maybe Kai or Slum, see if they know.
Yeah.
Because I see Foggy a little bit and then they disappear. It's worrying.
Yeah, fair. I mean, Paris and Fairman, not exactly a family, but I guess they are, maybe. I don't know relations, but they'd be, if not Chronicle, they'd be your best second bet, I would say.
Their names? Sorry. I didn't know their...
You're good. Names are hard. Words are hard. Here, I can... Do I only have one? Okay, it's... Here, No, it's... No... Where is it? It's... No, that's... No, not that one. That one. There we go. I don't know how much this will help, but here. I don't know how... Yeah. I don't know how much you've been taking them, but it's better than nothing, so...
Yeah. I'm drinking a lot of these.
But that's a stupid question. What did you do? Oh. I just got pissed that you wouldn't listen. You, Felix, wouldn't listen when I Red Winter did nothing. And that's all I was trying to say.
Yeah, I found that now. Now I have no clue who to trust. Because I want to stop going up at the time. So I didn't want to believe it was a mess.
Fair.
Because I thought Mess was my friend. I could play if they still are. Because I haven't seen them lately. Only for a little bit.
I'm literally right above you.
Where?
Not exactly right above you, though.
You said literally. So, where? Oh.
Neo, I'm over here. Hello.
Hi.
Oh.
What?
I'm fine. And correct, it was me, yes.
So it was you.
Though I had played no part in blowing you up at the party.
Whatever.
Can you repeat that out of character? I did not hear what you said. Oh shit.
It was me, but I played no part in blowing you up at the party.
Oh.
I also did not pick the time of when it started.
I figured as much. I tried.
Well, technically it wasn't exactly mess, but
Oh.
technically it was a mix of me and the moth. I'm the goat talking right now.
Fair. Hello.
Figured things might head south, so might as well already be here.
Fair.
You can continue your conversation though, I'm just over here.
Okay. I was gonna ask something, but
You can ask.
Was it you that was following Atticus? Bit.
I'm not sure. Like during the party?
Yeah.
Not completely sure. Got a bit lost in the bloodlust.
Interesting. It's just annoying me.
Also, technically I do know where Fog is.
Where?
I'm not exactly sure if she wants me to say. So for now I won't say. But she is safe.
Okay. That's...
I can't lose track of... I don't even see your name.
Also, my armor is quite a bit stronger than yours currently, Ollie, so I wouldn't suggest hitting me with an arrow.
It's a spyglass.
I'm going to hit you with an arrow. I was looking through my spyglass looking for you.
Oh. Out of character, I thought you was holding a bow, because on Cosmic Screen, for a moment there, that did look like a bow.
Nope.
Shit, I fell again. No, I'm looking for you. Oh, there you are. You just blend into the coarse fruit. Or...
That, and once you get far enough away, then people just disappear, like chests and other entities.
And also, did you not think I was still around?
No,
I did just throw cookies at y'all.
I figured as much. You were when
yeah,
you leave.
thank you for that.
Yeah.
Sorry,
I like bacon.
I can't eat them really
Bacon
because
a lot.
I don't eat chocolate really.
Oh, sorry. Out of character, Nest can in fact make them without chocolate chips.
Oh wait. Idea.
Out of character, I don't know if cows can eat chocolate. You think we can?
I'm not sure.
Sorry.
Here you go. Here.
I'm sorry.
Technically, yes, but not in high quantities.
Take these cookies.
Especially not dark chocolate.
How are you feeling right now? At this moment?
Hurt a little bit.
Hmm.
It gets better when I use my crutches.
Yeah.
But
Follow-up question.
I don't know.
How well do you know how to fight?
Not, but I don't know.
I only ask because you need to learn, and you need to learn quick.
If y'all are going to spar, I should probably back up so they're just in
Nope.
case. The
I
blood.
have to, but you'll need to learn because I don't know what the final challenge is going to be. You need to prepare yourself and defend yourself. I don't know how much time is left. Mess.
Because you're skulky, maybe set up the fires in the arena before y'all start that.
It'll be fine. Adds a bit of a challenge. Gives Ollie an advantage.
I guess I'll start making regen potions.
I have my own, so you don't need to.
And I'm gonna have to make another one of the again.
Ollie, you don't.
Sorry, I'm playing out my
And my sister's dead. Okay then. Oh, also, Kelly's now one of my sisters.
So, does that mean she's my
I
sister
think you
too?
mentioned that earlier.
We're just collecting siblings again?
Well, I didn't mention that in character.
Does that mean Kelly's my sibling now too?
That is fully up to you and Kelly.
Apollo, please, for the love of God, get away from the ledge. You concern me. Get away from the. Thank you.
He's just living his life.
Yeah, living his life over a pit of fire.
Yeah. It's a devil dog.
Clearly.
Well, thankfully, he's a golden retriever, but...
Also, I canonically don't have to be here if you don't want me to
Up to you,
be.
bestie. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Oh.
Doesn't have to be me, but you need to learn. You need to learn fast.
What do I need to do?
I'm gonna ask one more time. Are you sure? You're hurt. I don't want to hurt you more.
Yeah. I want to learn.
Are you sure?
I'm just fine. What about healing potions? I have like only healing potions. I don't have them in, but
I'm making regen.
Okay.
I guess much more useful for certain kinds of injuries.
Yeah.
imagine I had like 20 healing potions because I didn't use that anymore before I left. I should have.
Don't pull that in there.
That was me earlier, and I hate it.
Are you ready?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay. Mess. Count us down.
Alright then. 3, 2, 1, go.
Come here. Using your crutch as a shield. Smart. Don't stand still. Makes you an easy target. And don't give me a chance to regen. If you stand still, that makes you an easy target. Move around.
Also, since you're using your crutch, try to aim to hit around their legs and trip them up. So it's a bit harder with people with tails.
Yeah.
It's also harder when I have to lean on it too, because.
That is fair.
Okay.
You ready?
Wanna count this down again?
3, 2, 1, go.
Don't stand still.
It lagged! It lagged so hard!
Hey Ollie, have you tried using an axe before? I think you might be better with that.
Let me get sticks. Oh,
I can make you an axe. I have iron.
Primarily because the way you hold your sword, you're holding it a bit off. And the way you keep hitting, it'll be easier for you to use an axe with how you move like that.
Yeah. Axes deal more damage, but they take more time to charge up.
Max, do you want to count us down again?
Sure. 3, 2, 1, go.
Come here. Come here.
I keep looking from my inventory.
Come here, Ollie.
Don't let them get behind you, Ollie, please.
Oh, weird guy.
And don't spam hit.
I'm trying not to.
Spam hitting is worse with an axe.
It's much harder than I thought.
I would
That's
offer to let you watch me and Em spawn. Though we are on the same team, so I don't think it would quite work.
no. Unfortunately not.
Okay, I can do this.
Don't be predictable.
Yes.
Actually,
Mess.
maybe have Em be the one charging you this time? Different
That I can do.
strategies?
Alright.
If that's alright with you, Em?
That's fine.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
That's what it
Go.
was.
You're moving.
Damn, I was getting so good. I was doing so good.
Still predictable. But better.
And also, it's good to try to get them in the fire, especially with people with skulk, if you're actually trying to kill a person.
Yeah. We like skulk to spread, but it doesn't exactly feel good on our bodies.
So it's good to take advantage of on occasion.
Don't rely on your
Also, I'll be
surroundings.
posting my location out of character. Oh, you okay, Ollie?
I didn't even mean to do that. Hold on, let me eat. Heal up.
You're lucky I want a
Oh
fair
shit, that's a
fight.
guy.
Okay.
I got him.
Good for PvE.
I'm way better with the bow.
You
Ready?
can do ranged
Mess,
if you
can you
want.
count?
3, 2, 1, go. Just
Know the right time to switch out from range to melee. Here. Don't give me time to heal. Huh. Didn't even get the golden carrot proc. Come on.
Damn!
Learning. What's on your bow, by chance? We can switch
My
to
bow
pure range.
has Unbreaking 3, Power 3, Power 5, Power Punch 2, Mending, and Flame.
Perfect even. Bows only. Pure range. Let's try this, huh? If you're better at a bow. That hurts. Oh, that hurts. Not even a countdown this time, huh? Just pure power. Come here, Ollie.
Shit, fuck. Damn. What did, oh, I was gonna say, is he growling? I thought Paula was growling.
Ready, Oliver?
You two ready?
Yeah.
Whenever you're ready.
3,
Mm-hmm.
2, 1, go.
Get down here, Ollie. Get down here. Don't stand still. You want to move around when you're shooting with a bow. When you're a target. Never stand still. You want to be unpredictable. You want to move. Don't stay in one place.
3, 2, 1.
Come here. Come here. Don't run away from me. You said you wanted to learn how to fight.
Shit.
So, fight me like a man.
Ollie, take off your armor. Take off your armor.
Cosmic,
It's
what the
easier
fuck?
for me to heal you if you don't have your armor on.
What?
And I could act as like a the injuries. Thank you.
They
Could you
wanted
come
to
here?
fight. So they gotta
What
fight.
was that for? What?
They wanted to train. So I'm trying to train them.
Yeah, there's a difference between. There's a difference between fighting and stabbing. There's a difference between training and stabbing someone.
Fighting is unpredictable. Fighting can get a lot worse than this. They need to learn somehow. They need to feel what it's like to be in an actual fight.
Okay, Google,
You
stop.
stay in here.
Okay, Google, stop.
Hey. No sword around the kid.
Get out of my way, miss.
There's still that still doesn't excuse. Still doesn't excuse hurting someone.
Ollie wanted to learn.
Yeah, learn.
And
Learn, not stab.
I care about you. You are my brother. But that is not how you train people.
How else is he gonna learn?
Scoped one, please listen to me. That is not how you train people. That's how you make somebody afraid of you. And make them terrified of fighting. So that is not how you train people. Is that understood? You've done the same thing. And I don't want you to do it again.
Ollie has to learn. And he has to learn quick.
I've seen it before. Please do not make me see this happen to another one of my
And
brothers.
just leave. No one's forcing you to stay here.
Miss is hugging you.
Get off me. Ollie wanted to train. They wanted to
And
learn.
I know fighting. I know. But still,
Do you?
it doesn't excuse blood being spilled on such needless things. There's no need to absolutely hurt someone for trying to learn.
Fighting's unpredictable. I'm only giving them a taste of what could actually happen in an actual fight. This is nothing. Ollie said he wanted to learn, so I'm making them learn.
You don't make
Everybody goes at their own
someone
pace.
learn. You don't make someone learn. You help them.
That's what I'm trying to do. I'm just showing them what could really happen. They need to learn how real fighting is like. I'm going easy.
I'm not saying don't help them. I'm not saying don't throw them in the arena. I'm saying work with them. You were going at them like they were your enemy.
They need to.
You were getting bloodlust.
Like, you know what bloodlust is.
And trust me, I know what bloodlust is.
How else is Oliver gonna learn if he doesn't try hands-on? I need to see what his weaknesses are, what he needs to improve at.
I know. Except that one way or another shouldn't ever be with hurting someone. No one ever truly learns something if it's beaten into them. You'll do the opposite.
Like, you know what fighting's like.
You'll instead tie words of fear, and no longer will it be with a status of pride in helping those they care about. It will be in a fear of what they have done. It will be in a upset, in a anger, in a fury of the blood, of the chaos, of no true reason for the violence.
That's what fighting is. Fight to protect yourself. Fight for no cause. You should know. Your father's chronicle, of all people. You should know what it's like. Of all people, you should know.
I know. I'm related to almost half of them. But that doesn't mean I don't want that to be how it is. But I know that I can't do anything to change it now. So,
Look around, Foggy.
I suggest putting the sword away.
I suggest you back off.
And the bow.
I know. But there's a few fucking people on this server who are like that. And I sure want to keep them like that. But I sure don't want to seem...
You can't.
I've gone this far, haven't I?
That's because you have your father protecting you. The only reason I'm not trying to kill you is because I know Chronicle would have my head on a stake.
Oh no, I know.
That's the only reason you're standing. That's the only reason my sword's not going through your heart.
You already did it last time. You're the one who
Notably,
killed
Mess
me.
is growling.
You already fished me off last time.
I could do it again.
And I'm gonna protect those who I can. With what I have.
You don't have much. It's a losing battle.
I will not fight you. I do not think you're above me, and I do not think that I could even handle you in a fight if I dared tried. But I don't want violence.
That's what you're gonna get, if it's by me or someone else. Look around, Foggy. You can't win this. Not by being peaceful. The server is a nightmare.
So,
There's death.
I won't try to fight you. Because I care about you. And I also care about Ollie. So, I just don't want to see anyone get hurt. Anyone that I care about. Even though I know.
Then leave. Because that's going to be
I know.
inevitable.
But still. I would rather live in the moment than reminisce about the violence that will happen in the future.
I really can't tell if you're brave or an idiot, naive.
I think I'm both. Good luck, Cosmic. Good luck, Embryn. I do wish you luck, and I do still care about you. Enjoy the Starbucks.
Ollie, could you please leave? I would like to speak
Run
to
away,
you.
little cow.
And no, I'm not actually mad about that.
You should be. Well, people, you should be.
I'm a bit upset with you, but I'm not mad. I guess it's a bit hard to make me mad.
Whatever.
So, I would only fight you if it was to protect Foggy or one of our siblings. So that probably wouldn't have turned into a fight.
You can't even fight me if you wanted to.
I have lava and fire in my hands.
You think that's gonna kill me?
Also, I sent you word training. Here you go.
I'm fine.
Okay.
I don't need your pity mess.
As if it was pity coming from me.
I really need to make stairs up here.
I can make ladders if you'd like.
It's fine, just come up here.
Alright. You okay? Clearly you're not, but I'll let you lie to yourself. First time, people learn through experience. Without, may I speak? With how things are going in this place, things go by very quickly. You know how often people get into fights here? People tend to fight in different ways. And we'll see how well it fares. And it might even take a full cycle for them to learn how to fight, or longer. But trying to force it will not do any good. So, being patient will help. It so far helped to throw it quite a bit at Ollie. Occasionally. Also, Foggy was actually preparing for a fight. I could tell just by their stance.
I would have let them.
And honestly, rather on knees, not be fighting.
Why not? I can take them.
What were you saying? Yeah.
I'd let them. They all know I can take them.
I'd rather not see either of you hurt. And also, with how much fire is around, I'd rather not two of my siblings be fully sculpted.
Why not? It's pretty fun, don't you think?
Sure will likely hurt quite a bit for a few days. Harder to get better at fighting if you can't fight due to injuries.
I warned them. I asked if they were fine. They said they were fine. So that part can't be put on me.
I don't think I could train them. Mostly due to predator-prey relations. Probably not a good idea for me, in particular.
Clearly I'm not the best bet either.
You, Havoc and Chronicle seem to be a bit too harsh when it comes to training people.
Really, I couldn't tell.
And honestly, I'd rather not another situation from last time come back into play. So, personally, I maybe with certain people stick to not sparring with them.
For the best of everyone else, maybe. Just make sure Ollie stays away from me in that case.
They're not my responsibility. I'll ask them to stay back a bit. From you at least.
For our own good, I think that's what's best. You've seen what I did to Ollie last time.
Yeah. I was there a little bit after that.
They pissed me off. It's not my fault.
I healed them a bit after that, though. I didn't have the supplies at the time to fully bandage them. And they seem fine now. Until just now. So I can check in with them later. Also, I have a question.
What?
How are your wings feeling?
They're fine.
Okay, good. Making sure no injuries carried through from last cycle.
Much like everything else.
A few things did.
Like what?
You seem to always get me to start following you places. And you somewhat act similarly, but also not at the same time. It's interesting.
It's not my fault you showed up when I first talked to Theo.
Also, I'm not exactly sure, but if you see Allie, she is more sculpted than she looks.
Is she now?
She fully turned into the warden, as I've said, and has tried to kill several of her siblings. Or at least try to attack Theo, and did attack me but failed, because I'm like this, and tried to attack their partner, and Kelly as well. What you thinking about, Sculpt One?
Doesn't even matter.
Guess technically it doesn't stop me from being curious, though. So you don't have to tell me.
So what? Doesn't matter if I say it. I don't need your help.
Right.
I don't need your pity.